everyone, thank you for tuning in to another Jane's Daughters tutorial. I'm Lindsay and I'm going to show you how to make a bow for your wreath and or arrangement. Or if you want to throw bows in your Christmas tree, whenever you're watching this, whatever time of year it is, here's how you'll be able to make a very simple, easy bow. So first off, you're going to want to pick out whatever ribbon you would like. Thickness doesn't necessarily matter. You could do something that's a little bit thinner or thick like this. I'm going to show the thicker one and a more bold pattern so that you can easily see what I am doing. So I'm going to unravel quite a bit of ribbon. So I've unraveled quite a bit of ribbon and I'm going to figure out how long I want my tail. So it really just depends on, like if you want a ribbon at the top of your wreath and you want the tail to kind of trickle down the sides, you're gonna want a longer tail, maybe even longer than that, maybe about a foot or so. I usually like to make my tails a foot or so, just in case I'm not sure what I want to do. Maybe I will make it shorter then, but I'd rather it be longer at the start than have to make a whole new bow. So we're going to have a pretty long tail and we're just going to start with a simple loop and bunch it together. And then what we're going to do is pinching it with one hand, with your other hand, twist the fabric right at the pinch. So you twisted the fabric right at the pinch, and with this bottom part, you're going to make another loop that is about the same size of your first one. Then you're going to twist again and make a loop up, bunch and twist, and make another loop at the bottom, twist, another loop, and we're going to make 4 loops top and bottom. Bunch and twist, loop at the bottom, bunch and twist, one more on either side. I'm going to unravel just a little bit more. Bunch, twist, and this is the kind of thing that just honestly takes a lot of practice. Took me a little while to get it down. And once I did, make those all day. Okay, then you really want to bunch all of that up and you're going to take wire, probably about 5 inches, I would say. Cut your wire. It also depends on what you want to hang it on. So if you want to attach it all the way around a grapevine wreath, you might want it to be more like 8 inches, just so it's totally fine to have more than what you need. You can always cut it with wire cutters. I'm just cutting a small piece. You're going to take it to the middle. Keep that bunch tight, wrap it all the way around, and twist. I twist a good 3 or 4 times. And then you take pull that tail down, take your center loop, spread it out, and then you're going to fan out the other loops. Some going down, some going up, to really get that full bow effect. So it looks like that. And then I'm just going to cut the end of my ribbon, the tail. And to finish it off nicely, I probably would wait until I attached my bow to whatever wreath or arrangement that I'm working on. But once I have attached it, I put the 2 ends together, that if you have a ribbon that has wire through it, or just the 2 seamed ends, attach together and cut upwards at an angle. And that will create the flag look at the bottom of your ribbon. So again, take the two wired ends, put them together, cut at an upward angle, and there you have your bow. Have a good day, guys.